Hey y'all, how we doing today? Mike here, Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in today. Just want to show you guys here. We got that new quarter rear fender from Jegs, just showed up the other day. It's been sitting in the driveway in this pallet. It's been getting poured and rain on. So let me show you guys. We're going to unbox this thing and take a look at this fender for this 1990 Ford Bronco. Let's go. Alrighty guys, it's still starting to rain and wind, but this is how it showed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait for this rain to slow down and open this up and then get this fender out here and see how she looks. So while it's raining, this is this is the quarter panel rear that we got taken off. We kind of straightened everything out a little bit. We still got some welding to do, but we're gonna try to set it over just to kind of see how she looks. Alrighty y'all, we got the tail light off. We're gonna try to get this fender set in there. We're gonna try to set the new quarter panel in here. You might have to go up with it, because this is gonna be the tricky part, getting it up under here. Alright. You know what, go ahead and set it up over yours for a second. We're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to bend that out, because there ain't no way this is gonna slip up under there. I'm gonna have to like tap this up and then beat it back down. Alright guys, let's get it in. We had to bend this tab up. Let's see how see if we can just get her to slop in there. Going home, Betsy. Yeah, I don't know, man. No, I don't know if that's gonna work. Go back. There we go. There we go. I need to tap some of this stuff in. Alright, round 3. Alright, let's pull it off. Let's see what I need to do. Alright, y'all, so we're going to try to slide it in there now. Back a little bit. There we go.
Inside lip. Get the inside lip over. And it'll probably be fine after that. Yep.
Alright, come on down with your side. There she goes.
That's almost a truck again.
Is it in there?
Mostly.
There we go, she dropped in.
That. This is going to have to be figured, but...
It's hitting the bumper. Does it hit the bumper on that side? Oh, I think it has to be raised up.
Goes on the other side.
Raised up and put inside.
Either way.
Not that side, but this side needs to be raised
I
up.
tried to take the bumper off, and I don't give up.
So guys, we ended up deciding instead of welding it, we're going to rivet it. So I marked where all my old holes were, and I just marked where we're going to put new ones. We're going to drill with a 3/8 drill bit, or not a 3/8, a 3/16 drill bit. And then we're going to install these rivets. Before you do that, you want to get some seam sealer and squirt seam sealer. Mine was dried out, so I'm just going to use some ultra black gasket and stick it all in here. That way it sandwiches, and then I'll even put it a little bit of each rivet. So let's go ahead and try this out. Alright, so we're just going to shoot this in here. Nice thick bead all the way up. We're going to do this too, Brad, huh? I'm going to put a bead across this.
Probably good for the fish.
Just...
We got another.
Alright, go on and press it in there.
Let's get that stuff. I know when she's lined up and flush.
I'd try to pull back on the bottom a little bit more.
It's all good. I'm about as
Alright, let's see.
as I can get.
Alright, let's see. Stick the rivet in. Oh my lord. Hopefully I got the hole right. Alright. You ready?
Yep. Squeezing that thing. Give her the beans!
Alright guys, so we're going to start drilling all these out. I'm just going to show you here. We're going to do this one right here. We already got our seam sealer in there. Make sure you wear safety glasses. Right in. So guys, what I like to do too is I was thinking about just putting a little bit of RTV around each rivet to help seal it. So let's get a rivet gun. Slide it right in. Give you a nice snug fit. Let's give it a couple pumps. Look at that. Nice.
Oh, look at that.
Nice and clean.
That's pretty.
Yeah, we had a couple where we had to cut them. For some reason it didn't pull it, but that's how it should look. Alright, I'm going to get this job done and then show you the overall. Make sure you're wearing your safety glasses. So guys, we just sealed this all up. This is what we got. This is all we're doing for rivets. I'm going to get some seam sealer. I'm going to probably prime this, try to clean out some of this rust, prime it, seam seal down here to fill that. But overall guys, the door shuts. There's the lines. Nice. Doing its job, y'all. Wow, thanks Jegs for this fender. Wow, this thing comes in good. I'm gonna start working on this, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. I got some more riveting to do, but she's looking good, y'all. So guys, on this side, we're just gonna go ahead and rivet it the whole way down. We got some vice grips in here helping us out. All right, y'all, we gonna get that last little rivet in there. Pain in the butt. Make sure you have your face mask, safety glasses. There we go, baby. Woo! There she is.
I can't say no.
There she is, y'all, all riveted up. Screw holes are still good. All the way down. We're gonna actually probably put the top on it here in a few minutes just to see how she looks. Alrighty guys, so we got it all tied in. We're actually gonna go ahead. We got it sealed up pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and throw the topper on it. Alrighty guys, we got the panel unboxed in. We straightened this out, so we got the tail light in. Look at that, y'all. I got my welder. We're gonna be welding in some steel, tighten it all in. But she's on there, y'all. Wow. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out some of my videos, y'all. Take care. God bless. Peace.